Latitudes and longitudes. A network of latitudes and longitudes drawn on a globe is called grid. Grid is used to locate places and know about them on a map. With the help of grid, one can find out the directions of places, climate of places, and time of places, etc. Latitudes. Latitude is derived from the Latin word latitudo, which refers to width. These imaginary lines are drawn horizontally on the surface of the earth and known as parallels, since they are parallel to each other. The horizontal circle that goes round the globe exactly in the middle at equal distance from the north and south is called the equator. Because it divides earth into two equal parts, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. This is the circle designated as 0 degree latitude. The latitudes are expressed in degrees, minutes and seconds, just as the representation of angles in geometry. Latitude values range from 0 degree to 90 degree north, the North Pole, and 0 degree to 90 degree south, the South Pole. There is no latitude less than 0 degree nor greater than 90 degree. Every latitude must be designated with direction, N for north or S for south. For the equator, there is no north or south designation. The main latitudes are equator, 0 degree latitude, Tropic of Cancer, 23½ degrees north, Tropic of Capricorn, 23½ degrees south, Arctic Circle, 66½ degrees north, Antarctic Circle, 66½ degrees south, 90 degrees north, North Pole, 90 degrees south, South Pole. Equator is the largest among all the latitudes. All other latitudes on either side gradually become smaller towards poles. At the poles, the 90 degrees north and 90 degrees south are not circles at all. They are just points. Counting from one pole to the other, there are 180 latitudes, not counting the equator. Longitudes. Longitude is derived from the Latin word longitudo, means length. Longitudes are not full circles. They are semicircles connecting pole to pole. The vertical longitude lines are also known as meridians. The longitude that passes through the Astronomical Observatory at Greenwich, England, is called the 0 degree meridian, prime meridian or Greenwich meridian. Several countries tried to fix a longitude that passes through their own territory as the 0 degree longitude. However, England decided that the Greenwich meridian will be the 0 degree longitude. They ruled a large part of the world at that time. So, everyone else ended up following their system. There are 360 longitudes. We organize the main longitudes into two groups, 0 degree to 180 degree going east, which are the east longitudes, and 0 degree to 180 degree going west, which are the west longitudes. 0 degree and 180 degree longitudes do not have direction markers. Other longitudes have direction markers. For example, 90 degrees west for 90 degrees west longitude, 90 degrees east for 90 degrees east longitude, and so on. Each degree of longitude, just like a latitude, can also be divided into minutes and seconds. The longitude 180 degree directly opposite to 0 degree longitude is called the anti-meridian or international dateline. The east longitudes form the eastern hemisphere and the west longitudes form the western hemisphere. After all this, remember, latitudes and longitudes are imaginary lines.